Hello. I'm a used car expert from Lotte Auto Global. Today, I'll explain how to participate in Lotte Auto Global's online auction. First, please access Lotte Auto Global and install the auction program. The auction program is provided as a compressed file and can be extracted on Windows. Once the program is downloaded, please run the client program on the specified auction date. Usually, you can log in 30 minutes before the auction starts. Your login credentials will be the same as those used on the Lotte Auto Global website. Wow, the auction has started. It's the fantastic Korean SUV, the Palisade. I'm determined to win this car. The auction has both a starting price and a desired price, and winning is possible if the bid exceeds the desired price set by Lotte Auto Global. When the bid goes above the desired price, a yellow box appears. When I bid the highest amount, a top icon appears. If the auction ends like this, it seems I'll be the winner. Wow, I won the bid. The next car is also a Palisade. Since I've already won the Palisade, I'll pass on this one. A yellow box appeared, but there's no top icon, so it seems someone else won the bid. The next car is a Santa Fe. It seems nobody is bidding on it due to its numerous accidents. There's no yellow box, and this car remains unsold. Well then, shall we find the vehicle I won on the website? You can check the car you won by going to the auction history on the website. I won the Palisade for $26,440. This price does not include the ocean freight charges. You can also bid on the vehicles that didn't sell in the auction. In the failure of bidding section on the website, you can see the list of vehicles that didn't sell in the latest auction. Here, you can enter the price you're willing to pay, and then simply wait until a Lotte Auto Global specialist contacts you. How about that? It's quite easy, right? From now on, purchase your cars from Lotte Auto Global Auctions.